So question 11C from page 230 of the grade 9 textbook is this. And so first step is anytime I see a binomial like that, I'm going to put brackets so that I don't make the mistake of not doing distributive property. So by introducing brackets, you are kind of making yourself like a monomial. Even though inside the bracket I have a binomial, by introducing brackets, you're kind of creating this monomial. And I want it to be monomial equals monomial format in order to use cross multiplication. So I want to cross multiply in order to get rid of fractions. And so I'm going to do that like so. And I get 6 bracket c plus 3 equals 4 bracket c minus 5. Notice that I do need the brackets there because if I didn't, then I would not do distributive property, right? And so that's the reason why I introduced the brackets as a first step. So I'm going to do distributive property, which says that I'm going to multiply the term in front of the bracket into each term within the bracket. So do distributive property. And then you get 6c plus 18 equals 4c minus 20. So as my next step, I want to get variables to one side. So variables to one side and numbers to the other side. And numbers to the other side. So notice that where I put my letters and numbers, it doesn't really matter as long as you're following everything's algebraically correctly. So let's say I'm gonna subtract 4c. That will force my variables all to go to my left side. That means I need to move the 18 over to the right side. And so notice I will get 6c minus 4c, which is equal to 2c, equals negative 38. I want to be really careful so that I am adding or subtracting the correct way, and that's why I draw that red line. The red step underneath, so that I don't make the mistake of adding or subtracting the wrong numbers. It's not a required step, but it prevents less mistakes. So I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides, and I get c equals negative 19. And notice that for format-wise, I have 1 equal sign per line. So you only really need to be writing the things I'm writing in blue, black. Like you don't have to write anything that I'm writing in red in your actual work. But it does help to highlight your final answer and like a therefore statement. And that is all.